Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore how to manage your investments with Wealthfront, a leading robo-advisor that makes investing easy and hands-off. If you're looking for a simple way to grow your wealth without needing to be an investment expert, Wealthfront might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of managing your investments using Wealthfront. Step 1. Create an account. Start by visiting the Wealthfront website or downloading the mobile app. Click on Get Started and fill out the necessary information to create your account. This includes your email address, password, and personal details. Step 2. Complete your financial profile. Wealthfront will guide you through a series of questions to determine your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Be honest and thorough in your responses. This step is crucial as it helps Wealthfront tailor an investment plan that suits your needs. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your financial profile is complete, it's time to fund your account. You can link your bank account for easy transfers. Wealthfront offers various funding options, including traditional checking or savings accounts, and even rollovers from retirement accounts. Step 4. Review your investment plan. After funding your account, Wealthfront will generate a personalized investment plan based on your profile. This will typically include a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Take some time to review the plan and ensure it aligns with your expectations. Step 5. Automate your investments. Wealthfront allows you to set up automatic deposits to your account. You can choose to make these contributions weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, which helps you stay consistent with your investment strategy. Automating your contributions ensures you take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, reducing the impact of market volatility. Step 6. Monitor your investments. While Wealthfront handles the day-to-day management of your portfolio, it's essential to check in periodically. The platform provides you with performance updates, and you can access your account anytime through the app or website. Look for any performance reports and assess whether your investments are on track to meet your goals. Step 7. Take advantage of tax loss harvesting. One of Wealthfront's unique features is tax loss harvesting. This process involves selling investments that have declined in value to offset taxes on gains from other investments. Wealthfront does this automatically for eligible accounts, helping to improve your after-tax returns. Step 8. Adjust as necessary. Over time, your financial goals and circumstances may change. Wealthfront allows you to update your financial profile whenever you need to. Whether you're saving for a home, planning for retirement, or adjusting your risk tolerance, simply log into your account and update your information accordingly. Step 9. Withdraw. When ready. When it's time to access your funds, you can easily request a withdrawal through the Wealthfront app or website. Withdrawals typically take 3 to 5 business days to process, so plan accordingly. Managing your investments with Wealthfront is a straightforward process that allows you to maintain a hands-off approach while still working towards your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for joining us today.